How does the cost of public charging differ from the cost of charging at home? While charging at home can be the cheapest way to run your car, using a public charger can cost more than filling your car with petrol or diesel. So why is that? Firstly, the cost of building and maintaining public chargers has increased. Then there's the cost of the energy itself. At home, your energy is subject to the energy price cap and you pay just 5% VAT on your bill. Public chargers are not subject to that price cap and charge the full 20% VAT. The faster you charge, the more you're likely to pay, while your home charger will likely charge at a speed of 7 kilowatts. A public charger can be as fast as 350 kilowatts. That's up to 50 times faster. So what can you do to make sure you're getting the most charge for your money? Firstly, think about how much you need to charge and how quickly. Generally, slower chargers cost less to use, so if you're not in a rush, you can always use a slower charger that will be cheaper to use. It's also worth shopping around. Apps, such as the Motability Go Charge app, will tell you the charging speed and cost per kilowatt hour of your nearby chargers. You may be able to save money by choosing a cheaper charger. If you haven't already, sign up to the Motability Scheme's EV email series to learn more.